What's up, you guys? Today we're gonna be finishing up the assembly of the SEADOO, and we're gonna be cleaning up the inside of the hull because it's a really good. There is a mess inside, so we're gonna be cleaning everything up. So the engine is almost done. We're gonna be cleaning the supercharger because it has some sort of sediment inside or something, but we're gonna be cleaning up everything. And we're gonna be finishing the upgrade of the intake manifold, deleting the filter, so we can get those two extra pounds of boost, and installing all the wire harness, so we can finish all the wire harness and keep on going with the jet ski, so we can finish on time. So let's get to it. I just went to the hardware store and bought a few things that I need to finish some stuff that I'm doing to eventually finish the jet ski. Today I'm gonna be installing this part. This is a air intake, manifold intake upgrade for the SEADOO, because this is the intake manifold for the SEADOO. Inside of this manifold, this is where the injectors goes, the fuel injectors goes in. This is the computer of the SEADOO. If you can see here goes the throttle body. I took apart everything to clean it up. If you can see here, this is like a mesh, like a filter. That has to be deleted, because that is going to represent like 1 pound of boost extra for the jet ski, so it's going to be more horsepower. So I bought this from Aquasport. This is a part that you use to take that filter off and seal the intake manifold again. So I have to drill a hole in this area so I can pull the filter off from inside of the intake manifold, and then I'm gonna put this part. I'm gonna be clamped with this to seal it, so the boost don't go out. So I bought this tool. This is a hole saw. I bought this. You can buy this in any hardware store, and I get it so I can do this work today. So, and I'm gonna get into it. Okay, as you can see, I did the hole inside. This was inside of the intake manifold. You can see it's black and filthy. This create an obstruction inside of the intake manifold and rob power from the jet ski. Right now, you can see here, it's completely empty. It doesn't have anything inside, and I install this part that is gonna block the hole that I did to take that part off. I'm gonna be changing these O-rings. This is the stick to measure the oil on the engine. I'm gonna be putting 2 brand new O-rings. Here, just like that. Clean this. It doesn't have any particles or anything. Put it where it belongs. Now we are going to install the intake manifold. Now I already put the intake manifold. I put the fuel rail. Well, I already did all the wire harness plug it in. The only thing left is this one. This goes on the exhaust. So in the next video, we're gonna finish installing everything. We're gonna install the water box. We're gonna be installing the supercharger. We're going to be unboxing a few parts that came up, so some upgrades. So I bought a bigger intercooler. I think I have the carbon seal, the new carbon seal arrived also. So we are going to be installing that. We're going to be installing all the jet pump so we can finish the jet ski and go rip it up in the lake. And remember, like this video, subscribe to the channel and comment below. See you in the next one.